Adam, a very quick one. Uzodimma, ihe na-eme a na-ekwuye. I when I complain, and several complaints of ndị na-eburu mmadụ ga Tiger Base. I say no, governor see me arrest, governor see detain onya, governor the interested in this matter, governor the interested in this case. And I drop ha governor. Always in the lawyer chọrọ for the person. I say, hey, kwa case governor. Even the Tiger Base gagwe, hey, governor did this case, governor is interested, government house is interested, the lawyer also. The lawyer also. So we have been getting these reports. But unfortunately, this time around, I think we cannot keep quiet anymore. We cannot keep quiet anymore. This man no senior contractor na ICC, not a warehouse. Lere ndori ya niile bukoro ha, the engineer, the contractor, the ginozo, the manager, buru ha, je dumpo ha na Tiger Base. Since January 15, nda just put last week. Nda just put last. What is last week? This week you can put. They spent 2 months and na Tiger Base because na the man say, governor she dump one there. Governor she dump one there. While at the end of the day, foul when governor she dump anybody. Look at them there. Look at them. Leha uko onu Chidozie, Chijokike. Uche zeal. The man who seen how anupam na that man who didn't want how the same area kahachi chapota. Olu. Olu kindred self. Community, the same community. So the man who seen how contractor that ICC, a broom haka. Gini mene. Na sina why that ICC full. Okay. Why full? Or who did the storekeeper, because so whenever an attack here in every organization, in every company, in every whatever, and then when storekeeper, now they in charge of here jaroro, or may arrest it. Even basic age the storekeeper. I say, but happen storekeeper. Happen storekeeper. A bruise ordinary workers, book on a Tiger Base for 2 months. It was Uganda Chile Kenyenda who brain, have me we call. Or one day have over. Because I be not drop Adi Bell has said, hey, governor is interested. Here, kwa case governor. Onye be Bell has said, here, kwa case governor. Get a governor guy, they have cha. Umaka mapiadia. Until they make a call. This thing about governor, until governor has to be very mad at that man. Can you not drop right here for? I must have to commend the governor for this. Because probably they are aware. But many people on a Tiger Base today. Eja governor, dump one at Tiger Base. So, to Sarami Hakoro governor Imo State. To Sarami Hakoro governor Imo State. Some people are dropping his name. Many people, only one man has seen what they are now. One APC chairman can say again. Adopt there for the past 6 months na Tiger Base. Manandrom na get released here today because I wanted to follow up on the case. Assistant na get released here today. About 60-year-old man. Adopt na Tiger Base. Na say no governor she dump where. So governor should go to Tiger Base himself. Not sending Shaba, not sending Ola, not sending anybody. The governor should go to Tiger Base himself. Many people are dumped to there because some people in the government say governor she may arrest, governor she detain. Oh yeah, that is what we are suffering in Igbo State. They are dropping the name of the governor. So I want to commend the governor for securing the release of Funda. I don't proceed 2 months, and then Barbara that man. Oloto she na nyawa governor. She dumped one there for 2 months. Which means, many things these people will be a governor. Which are she. Yes! Most of them are this government or many things happen even at this government. The governor might not be aware, like they are aware of this one. Because some benda who potraka hakuro to him in or to governor she boss self, Akia, or the man. So why did you dump people there selling that more? Say dump for what? It's a stealing matter. A stealing case is valuable. What one hack for the past 2 months? The man I'm not opening cost can be a willing cost. I am again Ejichoma Akadia, and after Hagan about 1 year. Then after 1 year, Hanochana Tiger Base. The next year, Hebrew Haga prison. Doppozana prison finally. Here we hear Mado Nemumunye. Here we hear Mado Nemumunye. Umunegi. Check his a honey mendos on our woman. Check his a honey mendos on our woman. When you're in a contract, you are feeling like God. Ordinary contract. Ordinary contract. no matter the billions or the millions you want to get there, does not give you the authority to treat a human being like shit. I want to thank the governor for securing the release of these guys. Now, ya jiraki ya ga Tiger base. Ama piala many people there. Now, hana governor she may arrest. Thank you very much. Finally, in the Tiger base, Mado ga akpata mmadu na Tiger base sigi dobere mo nya 6 months gi dowe. Dowere mo nya 3 years gi dowe. Gi na asi na onye ahụ shege mado shege. Onye ahụ na-enye goda. Owu ya superior. Onye ahụ na-enye goda. O CP. Onye ahụ na-enye goda. Owu AIG ko DIG ko Inspector General Police. Onye ahụ na-enye goda. Especially ndị anọ na Tiger base. Owu kwa Ola o. Ka nkwukwe ya now. Ola is innocent of this one. Ola is innocent of this one. Asukwo. Onye nke asukwa wudo onye nke ndị akpọrọ aha. This man gwara gị mapia ụmụaka gị mapia aha. The man say I should keep you here. The man on say I should keep you here. Is the man law? Is the man a court of law? Is the man a judge or a magistrate? Why you people exhibiting recklessness in this society? Can you not I bet are you human rights in the mother in this state? As a police officer, a bloody civilian. I say keep this face for 2 months because on keep the person for 6 months, 10 months, keep because he's giving you money. At the end of the day, you turn back to start demanding for money from under because you still want them to give you money. I want to commend Ola, Ola, you don't try you. You don't try for this matter. You try. Where? You try. Where? And I want to commend the governor too for securing the release of these guys. Governor me ofuma anye keneye. Mometro kono ofuma ayi ekwe. Maka na ọrụ anyị ka anyị na-alụ. Ndewo.